Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block calls in Messenger. Firstly, go to your Messenger app. Once the app opens up, you may see a list of people you have chatted with. Then, swipe left on the person's profile that you want to block. You can see the More option in gray and an Archive option in purple. Tap on the More option. Here, at the bottom, you may see Block. This will prevent you from receiving any calls or messages from them. You may tap on Block. Then, tap on Block Messages and Calls that is located on the top. Messenger then sends you a notification for confirmation. Tap on Block to proceed. To show that you have blocked that user, a notification appears from the bottom of your screen notifying you that the user is successfully blocked. However, this is one method where you may choose selective people that you don't want to be contacted from. If you don't want anyone to contact you, then you may go to Settings. This is another method to not receive any calls. Once Settings is open, you may search for Messenger by typing Messenger on the search text box. Tap on Messenger. Then you can disable the access to your camera and microphone, essentially preventing the app from accessing the things that it would require to make calls. So, once you disable your microphone and camera, anybody that tries to contact you will not be able to, as the call will not go through because you've not given the access to your Messenger app. This is how you can easily block calls in Messenger. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.